Wow!
Or the mass communication through physical objects such as television, computer, film, etc. It also refers to any physical object used to communicate with. Video literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in a variety of forms. It aims to empower citizens by providing them with the competencies, knowledge, and skills necessary to engage with traditional media and entertainment.
Information literacy. Information literacy is the ability to understand and to source out needed information online to verify if it is true or not. That kind of literacy is where you will know how to discern whether is it fake news or whether is it real information.
Technology literacy. The ability of an individual either working independently or with others to responsibly, appropriately, and effectively use technological tools. Using these tools, an individual can assess, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information. We can be technology literate by acquiring technical skills, understandings, digital tools, and platforms, and using technology efficiently.
Fun fact, did you know that deepfake technology is now advancing? Have you seen videos of politicians, celebrities, and news anchors promoting a product while their words doesn't match the rhythm of the mouth? That is deepfake technology. That is why media information literacy is important. To know more about that, let us go to the next topic.
Here are 8 steps on how to be a responsible media user. First, verify information. Before sharing or believing any news, check its credibility. Use trusted sources, fact-check websites, and cross-check information across different platforms. Next is to avoid spreading misinformation. Don't share unverified content. If you're unsure of a piece of information, it's better to refrain from passing it on until you can confirm it. Next is to respect privacy. Be aware of the privacy rights of others. Avoid sharing personal information or images of people without their consent. Next is to think before you post. Remember that once something is posted online, it can stay there forever. Next is to be aware of bias. Recognize biases in media sources and consume content from multiple perspectives to get fuller understanding of an issue. Next is to be mindful of time spent. Media consumption, especially social media, can become addictive. Set boundaries to ensure you're not spending excessive time on the screens and are balancing it with other activities. Next is respect the different opinions. Media platforms often present diverse views. Engage in constructive discussions and be respectful of different opinions instead of resorting to hospitality or misinformation. Lastly, stay updated on digital literacy. Media literacy is essential. Regularly educate yourself about how to recognize misleading content, understand algorithms, and protect your data and privacy online.
Did you know that fake news spreads more faster than real news? According to studies, fake news travels 6 times more faster than real news in social media. That is why media literacy is important.